Let's firstly talk about the general specifications of Huawei Honor View 20. Operating system will be Android 9.0 Pie, and it will be available in black, gold, and blue color options. Secondly, let's talk about the display of Huawei Honor View 20. 6.3 inches IPS LCD Full HD display, pixel density 409 pixels per inch, and some sensors are accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. Thirdly, let's talk about the processor and the RAM of Huawei Honor View 20. Processor is going to be 2.6 GHz, octa-core, high silicon Kirin 980. Whereas the RAM will be 6 GB, and, fourthly, let's talk about the camera of Huawei Honor View 20. Rear camera will be dual cameras of 16 megapixel and 24 megapixel, and front camera will be 16 megapixel with LED flash. Fifth, we will talk about storage of Huawei Honor View 20. The internally available storage will be 128 GB, and is expandable up to 256 GB with micro SD card. Sixth, at last we shall get you noticed about the battery. The battery is 4000 mAh non-removable. Moving forward now, we shall discuss the price and release date of Huawei Honor View 20. The expected price is $450, that is 32,000 Indian rupees, and the release date shall be around 22 January 2019. And finally, we shall talk about the overall score and alternatives for Huawei Honor View 20. Overall score from Smartphonepedia will be 8 out of 10, and the best alternative for Huawei Honor View 20 is OnePlus.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face.